My dear friends, on this graceful morning, it is my privilege and it gives me an immense pleasure to share few concepts on yoga. Friends, let us start the session by chanting three Omkaras followed by salutation to the great Patanjali Maharshi. Salutation to the great Patanjali Maharshi. Yogena chittasya padena vacham malam sharirasya cha vaijakena yopakaroktam pravaram muninam Patanjalim pranjaliranatosmi Patanjalim pranjaliranatosmi Friends, Dand Baitak is a great treasure of our country designed by our Rishis and Munis thousands of years back. Dand Baitak is a yoga vyayama. It is a series of yogasanas in the dynamic form. Friends, I am sitting in Vajrasana. Vajrasana is a very special asana. This Vajrasana can be practiced at any point of time. Vajrasana can be practiced even after having a full meal. Friends, Dand Abhyas. Today we shall see to one of the variations of Hanuman Dand, named after Lord Hanuman, Hanuman Dand. Friends, any Dand, we cannot place the palms and feet as we like and practice. Every Dand has a special measure. What is the measure of this Hanuman Dand? The span of the arm length. What is the arm length? From the bottom of the elbow up to the wrist, from the wrist up to the tip of the middle finger. Now these two comprises the length of the elbow, the length of the arm, the span of the length of the arm followed by the length of the palm. From the bottom of the right knee, I take the length of the arm, the span of the arm followed by the palm. Now I place the two palms parallelly, completely on the floor. Now I rise to Parvatasana. This is Parvatasana, my dear friends. The back of the two thighs are straight, chin lock. From Parvatasana, I come to Dandasana. This is Dandasana in the prone posture. From Dandasana, now I come to the dynamic form of Hanuman Dand. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5. I come back to Vajrasana. After Shram, Vishram is very, very important. How to relax? I flap the two arms like a bird flapping its wings. I flap my two arms like a bird flapping its wings. I flap my two arms, my dear friends. Now, friends, 1 billion. 1 billion is 100 crores. 1 trillion. 1 trillion is 1 lakh crores. Now we have trillions of cells in the human system. Now supplying the oxygen to trillions of cells is very, very important. How to supply oxygen? We supply oxygen through the lungs. Deeply inhale. I raise both the arms up. Exhale, come down. Deeply inhale. Rise both the arms up. Exhale, come down. Inhale deeply. Rise both the arms up. Exhale, come down. It is pranayama yukta yogic sattvic vyayama, my dear friends. Now I demonstrate Hanuman Dand in this direction also. I am sitting in Vajrasana. As you know, Vajrasana is a very, very special asana. What is the measurement for Hanuman Dand? From the bottom of the right knee, I take the span of the arm followed by the palm. I place both the palms parallelly, completely on the floor. Friends, we need not measure physically the span of the arm and span of the arm. Just if we slide both the arms before the shoulder parallelly, completely on the floor. Now this is Adho Mukha Vajrasana or the child pose. Now this gives the measurement. The span of the arm length plus the span of the palm length. Right? Now from this, now I rise to Parvatasana. The back of the two thighs are straight, chin lock. Now I come to Dandasana, staff pose. Now I come to the dynamic form of Hanuman Dand. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5. Now I come back to Vajrasana. Now after Shram, Vishram is very, very important. How to relax? I flap both the arms like a bird flapping its wings. I flap both the arms like a bird flapping its wings. I flap my arms, my dear friends. Now supplying oxygen to trillions of cells is very, very important. How to supply the oxygen? I deeply inhale. I rise both the arms up. Exhale, come down. Inhale deeply, rise both the arms up. Exhale, come down. Inhale deeply, rise both the arms up. Exhale, come down. This is pranayama yukta yogic sattvic vyayama, my dear friends. It is one of the variations of Hanuman Dand, named after Lord Hanuman. Friends, before concluding this session, we chant 3 Omkaras followed by a Shanti mantra. I deeply inhale. Om. Take a deep breath in. Om. Deep breath in. Shanti mantra. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahana Punattu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu mavid Vishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Don't open your eyes. Rub the palms only 9 times, not more than 10 times. Make a cup of it and place it on the closed eyeballs. Biomagnetic plasmic energy sinks through your eyeballs within fractions of seconds. It spreads throughout of your body. Remove the palms, rub it again only 9 times. Make a cup of it, place it on the closed eyeballs for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Gently remove your palms. Open your eyes with a beautiful smile. Thank you, my dear friends. Thank you very much.